In this video, I'm going to show you how to check StrawPage drawings. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard and then click on gimmicks. Now, in here, you should be able to see your drawings just like this. You can delete them or save them if you want to onto your computer, okay? So that's essentially how to check your StrawPage drawings. But if you know for a fact that somebody sent you a drawing and you can't see it, this is because any of the reasons I'm going to say right now. So the first one is you may have review mode enabled, okay? So if you have this enabled, it means that, of course, they will first have to review those drawings before they send it to you, and you won't be able to see them until that happens. So that's the first reason, and make sure you actually do this to off. So review mode is off. It's what it should say, and if it does say that, that means that's good. Now over here, it also says that you have to follow your friends on StrawPage to receive their drawings instantly. So of course, if you do that, then you'll receive their drawings instantly, and that's the best way to do it. So just go to homepage, follow your friends or any of their pages over here, and of course, when you do that, your friends will be able to instantly send you drawings and you'll be able to receive them in here. Otherwise, it's going to take a bit if they are getting reviewed. So that's essentially how to check StrawPage drawings. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.